I was not planning on this, but hey, if I roasted crapsy we not for uwucutesingle, also known as the gambling promoter, roasted by KAKA_V for 120, also by Creek, Steak, and more and more. Quick reminder, I am not responsible for homophobia and gambling promotion etc. Now let's roast. Me boy is a dog.
Did you heard the news?
No, what's up?
Homophobia detected.
Oh my god, what?
Did.
I better hide before they oof me.
I don't want to say this to not be cancelled.
Oh my god, close like and sub for nothing but gimme money.
Did.
Thank you.
This was crap. Also, I'ma watch the video where she roast KAKA. Wait, what Dutch grass? Sorry I didn't find it, but here funny clip.
Hour of hell, but if I die I will do house reveal. Here is promise house reveal. Here is promise house reveal.
Lol, let's count anew. Okay, what is this? Oh my god, common video.
That type of video, but I guess I need to do it. So y'all probably see this and maybe this type of video where I'm roasting my hairs back and
This is what I am doing.
roast me back or something like this. So I just want to say something. We need to talk.
Wait, uwucutesingle a duo.
So y'all probably remember a time when I
Yep.
promoted a gambling. When I promoted a gambling site
Which is totally illegal, so don't do it.
and more, I stopped.
That's fake. The site just shut it down.
Maybe you didn't even check my YouTube channel videos, and maybe I need to say this again, but I'm sorry for promoting gambling. So guys, there is no reason to hate me for past.
Yes, we do have.
Second of all, y'all can hate me for my content. You can hate me for my videos. You can hate me for my jokes and more. It's actually okay. I don't think that this is bad because there is a people who like it and there is a people who don't like it.
Which is same with mine.
So I think this is okay. Alright? Just don't hate me for past. And the third of all, I saw this post and I saw this Twitter.
Wait, what? Don't be racist.
BC, it's bad and also kind of illegal. Speed's post is right.
I saw a lot of racist comments. I don't know
Well,
how
why
they
did you
work.
don't show them?
Okay, you can hate me for being a bad person, for making cringe jokes, cringe videos. It's actually okay.
Yeah, that's what I do.
But you can't hate a person for their race.
W?
I don't think that this is okay. This is not Sigma. This is not GigaChat. This is not cool.
Wait, I forgot that you did an homophobic vid, bruh.
Being a bad person isn't cool. How you can think that racism can be a Sigma?
And what about capitalizing on religion and animal abuse plus homophobia?
Can be a cool activity. How? Guys, I don't think that this is okay. If you never saw an Asian person, go check a YouTube, go touch grass, go watch. There is a people. You can't hate people for the race, for the color. I don't think that this is actually okay. Even the other YouTubers said that this is not okay. The one who roasts me, they do not accept a racism.
I am one of them.
The only thing that I want to say at the end of this video, yeah guys, you just need to touch grass. The racism isn't okay. Also, don't hate me for past. Past is past, and I'm sorry for this past. You can't hate me for my past, and you can't hate me for my race, because guys, I didn't even choose this. I just born like that, and it's actually okay. Thank you.
I posted this comment in her vid. Time to kill her. Creator, the outro please.